Alright, good day students. You're welcome once again to my channel. My name is Maduako Emmanuel, your favorite math teacher. In continuation of our series on WAEC past examination questions, we've been looking at the 2019 May-June WAEC examination. Today we shall be focusing on question number 4 in that May-June examination. So quickly, let's see what the question states. Alright, the question gave us a quadrilateral PQRS. And it says in the diagram, PQRS is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Then it says triangle PRS. Triangle PRS. That's this angle here. PRS. This angle. Angle PRS is 90 degrees. So it's telling us this is a right angle triangle. Then also, because of this sign this triangle is also 90 degrees. So we have two 90 degrees, two right angle triangles making up this quadrilateral. What does the question say we should find? The question says we should find the area of the quadrilateral. Now for the solution, the area of the quadrilateral will be area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. So area of PQRS will be equal to area of this triangle PQR plus area of this other triangle PRS. Alright, now so we need to get the area of this and the area of this. How do we get that? The area of this is easy, half base times height, but when we come to this, how do we solve that? So the first thing is to get what is this PR. We are given all this value. PQ is 3, QR is 4, and PS is 13. So we need to get this. Remember your Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem state? It states that the square of the hypotenuse square is equal to what? Opposite square plus what? Plus adjacent square. Your hypotenuse is the area, is the length facing what? Your right angle triangle. The side facing the 90 degrees. So this is my 90 degree. So this is my hypotenuse. So I'll be having what? My PR squared will be equal to my opposite. Take opposite to be this 4 squared plus what? Adjacent 3 squared. If you do this, 4 squared is what? 16 plus 3 squared is what? 9. This will give me what? 25. So to get my PR will be what? Square root of what? 25, which is what? 5 cm. Now I've gotten PR, which is this. We've gotten this as 5 cm. Now the next thing is to get what? RS. To get my RS, this you repeat the same thing because this is also a right angle triangle. So you're having your hypotenuse as 13 this time. So I'll be having for triangle PRS, I'll be having my hypotenuse, which is PS. PS squared will be equal to opposite is PR squared plus my adjacent RS squared. So I'll be having what? My PS is given to me as 13 squared will be equal to what's my PR? PR is what we just solved for PR is 5 squared plus what? RS squared. We don't know what RS is. So what do? Take this one to this side. I'll be having 13 squared minus 5 squared is equal to RS squared. Now 13 squared minus 5 squared, if you do it, you can, if you don't have a calculator, you do difference of 2 squares because we've done that in one of our previous classes. And this will give me what? 13 minus 5 into 13 plus 5. That's how to use difference of 2 squares in case you don't have calculator. And this will give me 13 minus 5 is 8 times 13 plus 5 is what? 18. If you multiply that, you'll be having your RS squared to be equal to 144. If you multiply 8 times 8, 64, 4 carry 6, 8 times 1, 8 plus 6, 14. So you take the square root. So my RS will be equal to square root of 144, which will give me what? 12 cm. Now I've gotten everything I need now to calculate the area of this. And what is area of a right angle triangle? Area of triangle. Let's take this first one, PQR. PQR will be equal to half base times height. I hope you still remember these formulas. Area of triangle PQR. Alright, let me clean so you can see it properly. Let me clean here. I will continue at the top. Remember, let me put in all the values we've gotten. For PR, we got PR as what? 5 cm. And for RS, we got RS as what? 12 cm. Don't forget that. 12 cm. These are the two values we got, so that when I clean, we'll be able to see what we are doing. Follow me closely. Alright, so let's get the area of PQR. My area of triangle PQR will be equal to half base times height, which is half. What's our base? Our base is 4 times what's our height? Our height is what? 3. And this will give me what? 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 2 times 3 is 6, because it's area centimeter squared. So we've gotten area of this triangle. Now we need to get area of triangle PRS is also the same as half base times height, which is half times, what's the base this time? Your base is 12 cm times, what's your height? Your height is 5 cm. Remember, you don't have anything to do with your hypotenuse. Don't forget that. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 6. 6 times 5 is 30 cm squared. When we started, we said the area, of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to area of triangle PQR plus area of triangle PRS, which is, what's the area of triangle PQR? 6 cm squared plus area of triangle PRS, 30 cm squared. So our area of the quadrilateral is 36 centimeter squared. Alright students, I'm sure you enjoyed the solution to that question 4. Now question 4 had only one question, but you saw the way we were able to break that one question into two triangles, and we solved individual triangle, added them together to get our area of the quadrilateral. In our next video, we'll be taking question number 5 in that 2019 WAEC examination. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And for returning subscribers, I appreciate you for always being there, for going through the videos and also sharing my videos so that a certain WAEC student would see it. I thank you all and I celebrate you. See you in my next video.